everyone, welcome to the channel. I know most designers are tired of the Figma waitlist. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to access the new Figma UI3 with your browser. All you have to do is go to your Chrome browser and you're going to search for Enable UI3 Beta for Figma. This is going to come up, and when you click on it will bring you to this page where you see this button at the top right corner. It says add to Chrome. When you click on it, you're going to see the add extension button, and when you click on the add extension button, you're going to wait for a second and this comes up to show you that it has been added to the Chrome extension. Then when you come back to your Figma file, all you have to do is just to refresh, and as soon as it's done loading, you're going to see the new Figma UI interface. Voila! So here we have it. And don't forget that this only works when you're using the browser and not the app. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.